we're diving into a topic that's close to all our hearts, family. And what better way to explore it than through the timeless tale of Ramayana? In the context of the Ramayana, the concept of family plays a significant role, reflecting the values, relationships, and societal norms prevalent during the time of the epic. The Ramayana, attributed to the sage Valmiki, is an ancient Indian epic that narrates the life and adventures of Lord Rama, an incarnation of the god Vishnu, and his wife Sita. The Ramayana upholds the ideal family structure as per the ancient Hindu societal norms. Rama, the protagonist, is the eldest son of King Dasharatha and Queen Kaushalya. The epic idealizes the concept of a joint family, where members share strong bonds and mutual respect. Rama's love and obedience towards his parents are emphasized, setting an example for the ideal son. Importance of family in Ramayana. The story of Ramayana is not just about a prince and his adventures. It's a tapestry woven with threads of love, loyalty, and the unwavering strength of family bonds. Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Bharata, and Hanuman, each character embodies the importance of family in their own unique way. Rama's unwavering commitment to Dharma, righteousness, and his adherence to his father's words underscore the importance of filial duty and obedience within the family structure. Despite the personal sacrifice involved, Rama willingly accepts exile to the forest to fulfill his father's promise to Queen Kaikeyi. Harmony and unity. Remember that scene where Rama touches the feet of his stepmother, Kaikeyi, after his coronation is announced? Or when Bharata refuses the throne and walks barefoot to Ayodhya to plead with Rama to return. These moments showcase the profound respect and unity that held the family together, despite challenges and misunderstandings. The relationships between Rama and his brothers, Bharata, Lakshmana, and Shatrugna, are portrayed as models of fraternal love and loyalty. Lakshmana's selfless devotion to Rama, often cited with his famous words "Si Yabar Ramachandra Ki Jai," exemplifies the depth of the bond between siblings. The Ramayana also explores the importance of marital relationships, particularly through the characters of Rama and Sita. Rama's unwavering commitment to Sita during her abduction by the demon king Ravana showcases the strength of marital bonds. Sita's resilience, virtue, and devotion to Rama despite her trials become exemplary qualities for a wife. The Ramayana continually emphasizes the significance of Dharma in family life. Rama's commitment to fulfilling his duties as a son, husband, and eventually as a king reflects the importance of upholding righteous principles within the family unit. The epic suggests that the well-being of society is intricately connected to the virtuous conduct of individuals within their families. Lessons from the Ramayana courtyard. Think of the Ramayana courtyard as a metaphor for our own homes. Just like the elders in the courtyard nurtured wisdom and values, our families are the fertile ground where we learn about respect, compassion, and responsibility. The challenges faced by Rama and Sita, including their separation and the subsequent quest to rescue Sita from Ravana, provide moral lessons about perseverance, sacrifice, and the strength of familial bonds. These challenges also highlight the consequences of deviating from Dharma. Modern families and challenges, but let's face it, modern families face different challenges. The fast pace of life, technology, and external influences can sometimes strain our familial bonds. That's why it's more important than ever to consciously nurture our relationships and keep that flame of unity burning bright. Protecting family values. Just like Ramayana shows us, it's crucial to protect our family values from external influences. We need to be mindful of the media we consume and the messages we expose our families to. Instead of focusing on negativity and discord, let's celebrate the beauty of togetherness and the power of love. So, what can we do to strengthen our families? Let's start with small things, having meaningful conversations, spending quality time together, and expressing our love and appreciation for each other. Let's make our homes havens of harmony and support, just like the Ramayana courtyard. The epic Ramayana is more than just a thrilling adventure, it's a timeless guide to human relationships, especially within the family. Today, in our fast-paced modern world, its lessons on family values remain surprisingly relevant. Let's explore how these powerful teachings can be applied to strengthen our lives in the 21st century. Pillars of family in Ramayana: Dharma and duty. Rama's unwavering adherence to his dharma, even at great personal cost, sets a high standard for filial piety and responsibility. In modern times, this translates to upholding family commitments, honoring parents, and fulfilling obligations with integrity. Respect and unity. The Ramayana family demonstrates immense respect for elders, siblings, and spouses. This fosters harmony and a sense of belonging, something crucial in the face of modern individualistic tendencies. Sacrifice and selflessness. Rama's willingness to give up his kingdom for his father's promise and Sita's unwavering support throughout their exile showcase the power of selfless love. In modern families, this translates to prioritizing family needs over personal desires and offering unwavering support during times of hardship. Communication and understanding. The open communication between Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana helps them navigate challenges and strengthen their bond. In modern families, this translates to practicing active listening, expressing emotions constructively, and seeking solutions through dialogue. Challenges and adaptations. While the core values remain true, modern families face different challenges. Nuclear families, busy schedules, and changing dynamics require flexible adaptations. Here's how we can bridge the gap. Technology as a bridge. Video calls, shared online experiences, and tech-aided learning can bring geographically distant families closer. Prioritize meaningful interactions over fleeting moments. Plan shared meals, family activities, and genuine conversations. Fostering individual growth, respecting individual aspirations while maintaining family connections through open communication and mutual support. Embracing inclusivity. Modern families come in all shapes and sizes. Extending the principles of love, respect, and understanding to diverse family structures strengthens communities. The Ramayana places a strong emphasis on the ideal family structure, filial duty, sibling relationships, marital bonds, and the importance of upholding dharma within the family. Through the characters and their experiences, the epic imparts timeless lessons about righteous living and the interconnectedness of family values with broader societal well-being. Remember, family is not just about shared blood but about shared values, commitment, and enduring love. By drawing inspiration from the timeless wisdom of Ramayana and adapting it to our modern context, we can build strong, supportive families that thrive in our ever-changing world. The Ramayana's message on family values offers a guiding light for modern families. By understanding its core principles of respect, sacrifice, and communication, and adapting them to our changing times, we can nurture strong, resilient families that can weather any storm. So, let's take inspiration from this epic tale and create families that radiate the same love, unity, and unwavering support as the Ramayana family. I hope this video inspired you to reflect on the importance of family in your own life. Remember, your family is your greatest treasure. Cherish it, protect it, and let it be the source of your strength and joy. Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening discussions on the journey to self-discovery and spiritual growth.